came around to say hello. One, I'm so fly. You took a nosedive. Careful when you play on my level. For you it's so. Hey, hello.
Motorola Razr 50 Ultra. Flip the script.
Hello, Moto.
प्रदीप भंडारी, डू यू नो मर्ज की दवा क्या है? मर्ज क्या है कांग्रेस पार्टी का?
Well, Navika ji, the Congress does not respect the Constitution. This is why the Congress is speaking about Manusmriti more than the Constitution, and even on Manusmriti, it is quoting it out of context. Mahatma Gandhi had also spoken about a lot of teachings of Manusmriti, but I'll not get into that. The debate is on student reforms. I ask you, Navika ji, have you seen a single point or by Rahul Gandhi, whether it is how to prevent paper leak, anything on his speech? No. Whether the Congress ruled state, whether it is Telangana or Karnataka where paper leak are rampant, or whether it is Kerala where the students are being fired by water cannons, what the Congress party is doing about it? No. Or whether where Congress party in Karnataka is filing cases against peaceful protesters who are asking about student reforms? No. Rahul's contribution to these countries' entire debate on paper leak, where the government has got the most stringent law to prevent paper leak, has been zero. And Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, who the Congress ecosystem thought is more intelligent, and Sohail Seth also used to think she is a better speaker than Rahul Gandhi. What was the substance of Priyanka's speech? Deriding a professor of IIT Madras and a director of IIT Madras, who is a scholar, academician, scientist in a computer. In fact, one of the recipients of a DRDO medal. So this is the Gandhi Vadra's contribution to the debate. But let me come to the moot point, Navika ji. We had taken moral accountability. The education minister resigned. We took the step of bringing in a preventive deterrent law, which is the till date the biggest law that any government has brought. What is the Congress government done in Telangana, Karnataka, Kerala, where it is ruling? Zero. Has the Congress government provided any suggestion? No. And if the Congress speaks about peaceful protesters, this is Turkman Gate, where the Congress party had fired and Indira Gandhi had fired on the students.
What is the preventive in the law? What is preventive in the law?
Where the Congress government fired
what is preventive in the law?
100 students were killed.
Pradeep Bhandari ji, what is preventive in the law?
The preventive in the law is 3 months trial. The preventive in the law is conviction time bound. The preventive in the law is duty bound investigative officials ensuring that the paper leak, if somebody commits a paper leak, is behind bars and it's a non-cognizable offense. Now you tell me, Ashwini, you tell me, what did you do? What have you done in the past to prevent paper leaks? Zilch! Priyanka Gandhi Vadra had a man who was convicted of Bihar paper leak 2005 in her personal team. You are promoting paper leak, you are shielding paper leak mafias. That is what you've done. Kapil Sibal was the education minister in 2010. You know, he attempted to bring a bill and it
Ashwini ji, one question can you answer? Ashwini ji, one question can you answer, please? You are saying the government is incompetent. Okay, for a minute, let's believe you. And let's accept what you're saying. Yes, the government is incompetent. आप तो competent है ना? आप alternative plan बता दीजिए. है कोई आपके पास alternative plan?
बिल्कुल है नाविका जी, बिल्कुल
बताइए. मनुस्मृति से निकालेंगे. लोगों को कमरे से बाहर खींचकर मारने के लिए छोड़ देंगे. ये आपका alternative plan है. Calling people idiots and अंधभक्स. Is that your alternative plan? Ashwini, what is your alternative plan that was not presented to Parliament? When the response is being given, you walk out of Parliament. Why are you wasting the nation's time? And may I just tell you what Mr. Wangchuk has said? Mr. Wangchuk, who did a 28-day fast, आपने नहीं किया था, उन्होंने किया था. Do you know what he has said? He has said that he is very happy that this bill has been passed. And he said that this is an improvement in exams, and I hope this improvement is not only in the exams but also the education system. अब वांगचुक जी से ज्यादा आपका कंट्रोल है इस पूरे प्रोटेस्ट पे, या सिर्फ क्रेडिट स्नैचिंग का आपका ट्रेडमार्क है?
नाविका जी, सॉल्यूशन सुनने के लिए one has to be the student and not the idiot. We have been trying to explain. We have been trying to explain as Rahul Gandhi said, one has to be the student to understand the suggestion, not the idiot or the unbug. This government is
Ashwini,
like
I have the video of your Chief Minister Revant Reddy who called the engineers in Telangana as a piece of garbage. Piece of garbage. That is what you call the engineers. अरे
चोरी को
भैया
मत
कुछ
पकड़ो।
तो बताओ,
हमने कहा
कानून में
चोरी
विश्वास
हुई।
नहीं,
आप
लॉ में
बोले
विश्वास
चोर को मत
नहीं,
पकड़ो,
कोर्ट में
चोरी हो जाने
विश्वास
दो, हम
नहीं,
दरोगा बदल देंगे।
किसमें
एक
विश्वास है?
अरे
खाली
भाई,
बात है।
दरोगा बदलने के लिए सरकार ने नहीं कहा, कपिल सिब्बल जी ने कहा that if it is not the home minister, then the SDM should be changed. You please first decide within the opposition ranks, but I want to get in Suhail se.